everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sarah, and today we are heading to Walt Disney World. Welcome to a Walt Disney World travel day. I'm so excited to take you along with me. As you can see, I'm already at the airport. I'm actually waiting for my sister Rachel to get here. She woke up late, and she's kind of doing that whole airport challenge thing. Just kidding, she's not, but she woke up late. So waiting for her to get here. I know she'll make it, I have faith, but thank you so much for being here. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get to Disney, get to my resort, be in the Disney bubble, have some Disney magic. I'm so ready. I am planning on listening to music on the plane, falling asleep. Oh, I might watch the new episode of The Summer I Turned Pretty. Let me know in the comments down below what you do on the plane. That is like my favorite thing to ask everybody because I'm always so curious what everyone's plane to-dos are. But thank you so much for being here, and I can't wait to get to Orlando. But if you're excited for this video, give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your post notification bells because I'm gonna be in Disney for the whole weekend and a little longer, and you won't want to miss any of my upcoming Disney vlogs. It's gonna be so much fun, just me and my sister, and I can't wait. She hasn't been back in 9 years, so it's gonna be such a blast. But without further ado, let's head to Disney, and when Rachel gets here, I will let you guys know. So yeah. I would have loved to get a matcha, but I'm always so nervous about being at my gate, so I'm here, and I didn't get one, but it's okay. Today's gonna be a very fun travel day. We are heading to Blizzard Beach. Anyways, today is going to be a really fun travel day. We are heading to Blizzard Beach, and we have not been to Blizzard Beach since we were children. So it's going to be so much fun. And then later on, of course, we're going to spend our evening at Disney Springs because what is a Disney travel day without spending some time at Springs? But still waiting for Rachel. I board in 17 minutes, and I probably won't see her until I'm on the plane. Hopefully she makes it. We shall see. But yes, let's head to Disney. There she is. She made it. She made it.
By the grace of the gods.
We're heading out.
I'm so sweaty. I got to the airport. I enrolled in Clear. Shout out to that guy who helped me enroll because he was super fast. I was like, my flight is boarding now. And he was like, I got you. And he was just doing the little stuff on the kiosk, but it took like 2 seconds to get through to security. And he told me with my credit card I get it for free for a year.
I was saying that you were doing like the airport challenge. Do you see people doing that?
No.
Okay, they like leave the airport when their flight is like boarding.
They leave for the airport?
Yes. I was like, she's accidentally doing the airport challenge.
I don't know what that is, but that sounds psychotic.
Anyways, we're heading out. So excited.
Finally.
We made it.
We made it.
There we go! As you guys can see, we made it to our resort and we are staying at Disney's Pop Century. Are you so excited?
I am! We're here. It's so cute outside.
And we're in the 60s, which is the perfect spot for the pool, the bar, everything pop, and also, of course, the Skyliner. I'm gonna do a quick room tour. Rachel told me not to make it super extensive, so Here we go. Here we go.
Room tour.
Room tour.
Look
Welcome.
Always cute when our name is on the board.
Welcome, Lens
Or the
family.
TV.
All right, over here we got coffee.
Refreshment station.
Yeah,
Sorry,
refreshment station.
Hijacking the room tour.
The beverage cooler, our luggage. This is the little table with chairs, and of course the Murphy bed. We got the Hey Disney over here with a little something to put, you know, your belongings. And then here's the bed, so cute. I've always loved this artwork here. There's 2 tables on the side, phone over here, and then we have the dresser, which is super nice. I think, is there a safe in this one? Yeah, there's the safe, extra pillow, Bible.
Amen.
And then we have the drawers here. I love the coat rack. And then we have our little teeny closet that we're gonna share. Put our shoes here. I really love the layout of the sink. I just love that it has a lot of storage over here.
Yeah, that is super nice.
Yeah, and then of course, ironing board. I know the iron's in there. And then you guys, check out my Wish Upon a Shop Pop Century tee. I love it. And then bathroom in here. You guys know the drill. We have the H2O products in here. Nice shower, toilet. You know, I've stayed here before, so you should know, but that is the room. We are so excited. We're gonna get changed. Actually, I'm gonna have them deliver my Amazon Fresh order, and then we're gonna get changed, and we're gonna just head on over to Blizzard Beach. It is the perfect day to be at a water park, and I know you guys know that I love the music, so since I'm in the 60s and not the 50s, let's hear it. I love it. Oh, I can't believe we're here. So our Amazon Fresh stuff, they never brought it yet, and we just wanna, Rachel, we just wanna head out, so we'll get it later, but we're gonna go to Everything Pop. I'm gonna fill my resort mug, and then we're gonna head to Blizzard Beach. We're so excited
to get some sun, even though I got sunburned last weekend. Who cares?
We're excited. We haven't been since we were kids. It's gonna be so fun.
I'm really pumped. All right, we're trying the PB&J croissant.
Here it is.
What is the inside like?
Peanut butter.
Oh,
It's good. I like it. What do you think?
oh my god. Yeah.
It has like the peanut butter and a little bit of the jelly on the inside, but it really adds with the frosting on here, right?
This is like super, I mean, there's a lot of filling on the inside. Maybe too much? Maybe a little too much, in my opinion. But I think it's delicious. I mean, the flavor's good.
Oh my god!
You see what I mean? Like it just blew it out.
It tastes like a peanut butter and jelly though.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's good.
Oh, it's like a giant pimple.
Sick.
Not to be gross, but.
All right, we are about to head to Blizzard Beach. We have made it to Blizzard Beach. We look like twins.
I know.
We are not twins.
Yeah, disclaimer, I'm older than her.
Yeah, I'm the youngest. We are going to hop on some of the slides, and I'll bring the GoPro, so it might just be music playing because it's kind of hard to talk with the GoPro, but we'll see what fun footage we can get, but we're so happy.
It's really fun. I feel like I'm experiencing so much nostalgia here because we came here when we were like little babies.
Little babies.
Yeah, but there are like some things I just remember, but it's exciting to experience it as an adult, so.
on the, what was it called? Something
It was like double dipper.
Double dipper slopes or
double
something?
dipper dash, maybe?
Yeah.
I don't remember.
And Rachel won.
I was flying
She
down
went
on the
so
inner
fast.
tube. Yeah, so we were both on inner tubes and you're in separate like little lanes and it just like shoots you. There's like this little thing that holds you up and when it releases then you just fly down. And I was flying. I was almost scared I was gonna fly into this wall that they have set up for safety, but it was really fun.
And then we went on this fun little like tube slide. Oh, here we go.
Okay, so the first one we went on was downhill double dipper, and then the second one was called Runoff Rapids.
Runoff Rapids was really fun. And then we went in the lazy river for a little bit, and now we're ready for some food.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah, we're starving.
This Florida sun is no joke, but I'm having a good time. I feel like a little kid.
I got this watermelon passion lemonade. There it is.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay, let's try it. I got it with
Come
Tito's.
back over here.
Okay. I got it with Tito's.
Tito's. Shout out Tito.
Yum.
Is it good?
A little sugar on the rim.
It's green sugar too.
It's nice and sweet and doesn't taste like alcohol. You guys know those are my drinks. We're just waiting for our food. We just got our food. Rachel and I both got the chicken and rice bowl. It looks really good. How is it? You tried it already.
Yeah, it's nice.
Good? Okay, I'm about to take my first bite. A little bit of chicken, a little bit of rice.
It's pretty standard. Like there's no frills. Like it's just
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Yeah, like it has good flavor. It has good flavor. Tastes
Yeah.
good. Nothing like crazy good, but like a healthier, more like fun option than just like a cheeseburger.
Yeah, or
right?
like chicken tenders.
Yeah. I've been craving a Mickey ice cream sandwich for days, anticipating coming here. So I have to get one before we leave, though I could probably get one in the parks tomorrow, but I'm feeling one today at the water park, you know? So definitely gonna get one of those. And Rachel wants to get a drink. I'll probably get another drink too, who knows? We'll see. But cheers to a day at Blizzard Beach. Rachel just got, oh, sorry.
Let me speak. No, I'm kidding.
Oh.
This is the Banana Cabana cocktail, and it has like different types of rums and like you know, other syrups and grenadine, orange juice, pineapple juice. It's basically like a fruity rum drink, but I'm gonna mix it up a little and then I'm gonna try it. But like right now, it's got the nice ombre.
Beautiful. Good.
Yeah, it's great. I love cocktails with rum in them, and especially if you're in a warm destination and you're at the water park, like this is the stuff. Yeah, 10 out of 10 in my book.
Okay, I want to try it.
Okay.
Oh, it's good, right? It kind of tastes like, what am I thinking of?
Like a Mai Tai?
A Mai Tai. Tastes like a Mai Tai. Cheers. Cheers. I have such a vivid memory of going across these ice cubes as a child. I literally like can't believe we're here. Because I just remember them, you know? She's going. She's gonna do Summit Plummet.
Summit Plummet. It's up there, but I'm trying not to overthink it so I can just go for it.
You got it. Good luck, soldier.
Soldier.
Bye. I am absolutely not doing Summit Plummet, so I'm just gonna wait here and watch Rachel go down. So, yeah, I'll just be here until further notice. She did it.
Oh, I did it. It's so funny. I was like shaking, but when I was up there, I was like, I just need to breathe and do it. And I got down and Sarah was like, I was shaking for you.
I was like,
But I am so happy. I've always wanted to do that. And
Proud of you.
It was so much fun. And the line wasn't that long either.
No, you
So-
waited like 15 minutes maybe.
Yeah, it was so worth it. But I didn't see anything. The guy at the top was like, enjoy the view. And I was like, I didn't see anything, sir. My eyes were closed. So
I would do the same thing.
yeah. Girl, it needs to melt.
Whatever, it's good. We just had the best day at Blizzard Beach.
It was so fun. I'm so tired. We went on like all of the slides and rides,
Pretty
and
much.
tubes and toboggans.
Literally, I think we did everything other than I didn't do Summit Plummet because no way. But Rachel did it twice.
I did it twice. It was so fun.
And then what else? They're closing. Oh, they're now closed. Everyone
Yeah, 'cause
has to get out.
It's 7 now.
Oh, I thought it was 6. Oh no, 7. You're right. So we're heading out back to Pop Century, and then we're just gonna go from there and see, right?
Yeah.
To see what we want to do. So let's head back to Pop. We just got back to Pop Century from Blizzard Beach, and look what I found in everything Pop. The new white Mickey ears. I'm so happy. They're so cute and beautiful. I had to buy them. And then I got some mystery pin boxes. I got the imaginative icons. So let me show you those. I really want Mickey in his Phantasmic hat. And then that's mainly who I want from there. And this one's cute up here. And then I got the magical chefs. This one's super cute. If it'll focus. I think the Stitch one is cute. I think the Remy one is cute. So let's just see who we get. I'm excited. Let's start with the magical chefs. Just gonna rip it on open. Comes with 2. I thought I would start with pins today because I want to be trading in the parks, so. It's Remy! Yay! Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Okay, good first one. I think those are macaroons. Okay, what else? What else? Let's see. Oh, I kind of looked at it. Who is it? It's Stitch! Oh my god, it's the 2 that I wanted. No way!
That's cool.
Oh my gosh, that never happens to me.
Cute.
That never happens. Okay. Next box.
Oh my god, this one's so cute
The
too.
Stitch one is really cute.
Look at that. He's making the sandwich.
All right, next one. Let's see. I'm not gonna look at it. Who is it?
Oh, it's from
Is that from
Emperor's New Groove.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I like it. I actually really like
no,
that.
No, I
pin.
love that.
Because I love Emperor's New Groove, don't you?
Yeah, I like it.
Me too. Okay. I might have to... Is this about to be a set I want to complete? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I can't get this one open. Okay, okay. Who is it? It's none of them are focusing.
Oh, it's the something in the stone, the sword in the stone.
Oh.
What is that?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. I mean,
that
whatever.
That one's kind of a deep cut.
Is it? Okay. That
one's
good.
Opinion.
So, I'm really happy with how I did. I think I'm gonna want to get more of those. And even maybe the chef ones. I don't know. I got the chef ones I wanted. So maybe I'll get more of the imaginative icons. But I'm actually really happy. So, yay. And then, what else? I think we might go to Disney Springs. What do you think?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna recuperate and then head to Disney Springs. So I'm excited. And yeah, it's just been a really good day so far. We've had so much fun. And I just can't wait. Like, this is the first day of our trip. Like, we have so much more fun to come. And I can't wait. Okay, so we just got all ready. I got my spinning carousel earrings on. Rachel's got her Sorcerer Mickey vintage hat that she thrifted.
Yeah.
And we are heading to Disney Springs. They're doing movie night by the pool, which I've never actually witnessed before, but I know Disney does it. And they're watching Monsters, Inc.
That's what I was singing.
That's what she was singing.
Intro song.
But, oh my god, that's so cute. Anyways, heading to Springs. Let's see what we can get up to there. Rachel's the peace sign girl, and we're in the 60s area, so
it checks out.
Yeah. I also wanted to say I'm wearing my girl Emma's Wish Upon a Shop tee, and I was wearing her Pop Century shirt earlier as well, so I will link her small shop down below. She's my bestie, and I'll also link her YouTube channel because she has a YouTube channel and she's so much fun. And yeah, let's head to Disney Springs. We just made it to Disney Springs, right, Rachie?
Yes, we did.
And we decided that we're gonna go to Chef Art Smith's Homecoming. Brittany and I went back in December, but they have some fun food options for the Florida thing that they have going on during the summer. So I'm excited to see those options. So we're heading there now, and I'm gonna take you along with, of course, because I'm such a foodie. So let's head there now. This is exactly what I was talking about. This is what I want. It's the flavors of Florida. Sorry, I didn't remember. This I want now. Cheers to our sister Disney trip.
Hi everyone. Tonight I got an old fashioned because it's been a long travel day and we were out in the sun, in the water, there's kids running around, mama needs to relax.
Oh my gosh.
Old fashioned with, shoot, it was like Basil Hayden's bourbon. Or just whiskey, dry whiskey, I don't remember.
Do you like it?
I like it a lot.
Okay, good.
It's a little sweeter than maybe a normal old fashioned. Hold on. It's good. It's good.
Good.
Honestly, the sweetness is welcomed. Like, I didn't want it too strong.
Yeah.
But again, an old fashioned is strong, but it's good.
And I got the drink for the flavors of Florida that's going on right now. It is the Honeybee. It has gin, which is actually my favorite alcohol, if you guys didn't know that. It has gin, honey, lemon, I think. It's very refreshing. It's so good, actually. I think you'd like it. So, cheers to finally eating dinner and having a very successful and fun first day. Can't wait to head to the parks tomorrow. We got the fried green tomatoes as a starter, and I'm so excited to try them because I don't know if I've ever had fried green tomatoes actually. So here we go. It comes with like ham on top. Oh my god. What is that aioli on top?
I don't know. It's good though.
There's like an aioli on top. It kind of tastes like jalapeno maybe? Something? It's really good. Wow. I really like that. Delicious. Would recommend. Okay, you guys. I got what I wanted. I told you guys I was gonna do it. This plate's hot, but I'll show you. Here they are. And I got the mac and cheese, Mama's mac, what was it? Like Mama's or something?
I don't remember.
Maybe I made that up, I have no idea.
I didn't look at the mac and cheese on the menu, but
Cheese
oh my god,
pull,
cheese pull.
10 out of 10.
I got the smothered chicken.
She got the smothered chicken. It has literally bacon bits. How is it?
Amazing.
It looks insane.
It's got an onion gravy on it. You can't see me, but I'm here.
Sorry.
My chicken has an onion gravy. And it's fried chicken, delicious chicken thighs, on top of mashed potatoes with broccolini. This is your PSA, eat your veg, come on. And a beautiful biscuit.
Love biscuits.
With some extra gravy for the biscuit.
Period. This is so buttery and delicious. I just want to tell you. Let me take a bite of mine. Mine came on a biscuit, so. Oh my god, it's really hot, but.
How's everything tasting, guys?
Really good. What do you think?
My biscuits are so good. They're falling apart. Like, they're delicious. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Your biscuits. The server just, he won me over. I'm getting another round of old fashioned.
We are back at Pop Century. We are all showered, ready for bed. We had such a great day, right?
Yeah.
She did another peace sign. She's so tired. But we had such a great day at Blizzard Beach, and Disney Springs was kind of chaotic. Even World of Disney, like we went in there for like 2 seconds and it was really crazy. But we had such a great dinner. It was so good. We ate so much and we're so full.
Shout out to our server.
Yeah, shout out to her server. What was her name?
I don't remember.
She was so sweet. She was so sweet. So we had overall such a great day. Like seriously, couldn't have asked for a better first day, and I feel like we accomplished so much at Blizzard Beach. We got on so many of the slides, like basically all of them, and it was just the best day. What was your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part was exploring Blizzard Beach and going on Summit Plummet.
Yeah.
And then our dinner.
Yeah. I would say my favorite part, yeah, I think just being at Blizzard Beach, because there's so much I remember as a child. And you know, when you remember things when you were so young that sometimes you think you like made it up. But like being there, I was like, oh my god, like I remember this. This was real. So I thought that was really awesome. But we had such a great day. And if you enjoyed following me and my sister along on this Walt Disney World travel day, give the video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your post notification bells, because tomorrow we are heading to Epcot and it is going to be the best day ever, because we are going to rope drop Guardians of the Galaxy and we are going to the new adults only lounge GO82, and it's just going to be such a great day, so much fun, so much food and drinks and saving the galaxy, and it's just going to be the best day ever. So you won't want to miss it. So subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in Epcot.